Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Imagine if minutes from now you could set up your own domain registration platform and get paid every time someone browses your shop or registers a domain. And you could do it all today while canceling your own GoDaddy and Namecheap domain renewals, all thanks to a revolutionary new app called ProfitCom. ProfitCom lets you create your very own domain registrar platform and start selling as many domains as you could dream of. It's all done with the power of AI. And get this, new for November 2023, AI finds you millions of done-for-you business leads. AI writes these leads promoting sales of rock-bottom domain prices. AI closes the sale, then generates lists of further domain name ideas to upsell your customers on the checkout page, all on autopilot. So, unlike other domain platforms, this one actually gives you red-hot traffic and finds you customers too. It's all automated. You get your own platform set up for you, and customers can purchase from there. You set any prices you want. When you get an order, the system automatically registers the domain, pays the rock-bottom registration fee, then sends you the difference. You can further monetize your domain shop with banner ads, affiliate offers, or by selling your own services like hosting, SEO, etc. And you can use it, of course, for yourself. Guess what? It even lets you upsell hosting packs to your customers that you can then get at no cost to you. Starting your own domain service has never been easier. Step 1. Log into the cloud interface and insert your payment details. Step 2. Your own domain shop is set up for you, which automatically handles sales for you, all fully hosted with no expense. Step 3. Get paid anytime someone registers a domain from your shop, which is also monetized with ads, affiliate offers, and services. And get this, ProfitCom will also set up DNS name servers for you whenever you get a new domain name, meaning there's no restriction anymore between you and getting your dream website and domain up and running in minutes, and with zero cost too. How cool is that? Listen, you probably already own a few domain names yourself. I know I have over 50 of them. Buying them from GoDaddy or Namecheap is always a headache, with non-stop upsells and paying 3 to 4x more at renewal. Along with you, so are over 350 million other people. Yes, 350 million plus active domain subscriptions renewing each year. It's such a huge market, it's actually mind-boggling. Now imagine not only canceling your own domain subscriptions forever, but also selling domains to others at rock-bottom prices, much lower than GoDaddy or Namecheap. ProfitCom lets you do it all, and it's AI-based, so once you configure it in the beginning, you really don't need to do anything else. That's right. Get ready to own your very own domain shop where you can auto-add unlimited domains from every TLD, .com, .net, .org, etc. Sell unlimited domains and get paid for every sale. Register domain names for yourself and only pay rock-bottom registration fees. Monetize further with ads, upsell offers, affiliate products and services. Unlimited traffic built in, no need to generate traffic yourself. Blazing fast hosting included. Your domain shop has 99.9% guaranteed uptime. Free SSL encryption. ProfitCom is the next big step in domain registration and the next big step for you in your online business. The only problem? The limited release discount price is only available for the next few hours, so hurry and get started by clicking the buy button on this very same page. You won't believe how good a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. Get started right now and secure your ProfitCom access today.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.